Why does your scanner show the P0244 engine code? What does it mean? P0244 is a diagnostic trouble code for Turbocharger Wastegate Actuator Arrange Performance. This engine code indicates a low voltage reading from the reductant temperature sensor A circuit. This sensor is part of the selective catalytic reduction system in diesel vehicles, which uses diesel exhaust fluid to reduce harmful nitrogen oxide emissions. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty sensor. Wiring and connector issues. PCM malfunction. Exhaust leak. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Mitsubishi Lancers, Hino Truck, and Mercedes-Benz. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.